Hello everyone, Simon here from myfirstmagicweb.com, making this a small video about pound USD again. I made a video yesterday showing this chart and telling you that okay, this is what's happening, this is what is going to happen, and the number that was the concern was 3680. So as long as we stay below 3680, we will be dropping and then going towards 3502. Before that, we have to bypass 3514, which is not too far from 3502. But that's what the next number is. We are supposed to be below 3656, and right now we are at 3622. So we start dropping a little bit, right? And the weekly chart was this, not this. Well, this is the one, and I had the 3680 should hold. Let's see, and this is how it is. 78% touch, and 3680 is right there. And now we are having a small black candle. Now the thing is that tonight we have pound and red news in different areas, and that will decide the fate of pound, and then all pound pairs will move accordingly. So until then, we will see what happens. But like I said, that my take is that as long as we are below 3680, we might be able to go down. Right now, we are short. Yesterday, I had an entry. Earlier, day before yesterday, I guess, I had. Let me see if I can show you here. Okay, real quick. Maybe this one here. This is pound nosy. Where the heck was gone? Here. Okay, so this is the one that I took on the 2nd, February 2nd, right, which is yesterday. And this is the entry, and I showed this trade yesterday as well, right? A couple of other trades yesterday were like pound newsy, because the pound was getting weak. So this was the trade here. I didn't move my SL, thank God, but and then it went up and came down. Even this setup is such that even if I had moved this here, right, SL, then I will be taken out here, but I would take this setup again, right? And then maybe right around here. So instead of 95, I would make the 75 pip anyway. That's how it is. Right? And this one, and then this one, Euro-AUD, right? This beautiful entry here. This was an entry. This was an entry, and 110 pip. Now today on this, remember yesterday I showed that pound. Let me just go back to this pound. Hold on here, and I said, okay, I was short. Where the heck it go? Here, right? So this was the trade that I just took, and then this was the trade I was in, and it was going down, but it went up and it took me out. And my SL was hit here, and the SL was around 10 pip at the time. Oh, I probably lost like 8 pip actually. Then it went down, it went up, and then this is the one that I took again, and this is what's going on right now. Okay, I have this one here. Let me see if I can show it to you here. Um, which one would be? Probably this one here. Where's the pound USD? Pound USD. Okay, this is the one. See, the pound USD. It was here, right? This is the one that I took, and then it went up. Then yesterday, this one I took it again last night, and it was taken out. My SL was hit, probably like I think this is 7 or 8 pip, and then it went down, it went up, and this is the one. You see that this is the entry here, sell entry here, right? And so far so good. And my SL is right here. Just see this SL here. Okay, this is 10 pip. Okay, so now even if I lose 10 pip here, it doesn't mean anything, because how much I made already, right? Even only yesterday, let me go back and then show you again that between these two. Yesterday I had this one, which I showed the entry when I was here, right? At the time I was making a video. So EUR-AUD 7-minute chart, third, and it went down all the way to this level here, 57.68. I wasn't available to close the trade here, but it went down, went up a little bit, came down here, and I closed the trade right there. And this is the one that I came up with 55 plus, and the other one was pound CAD. You can see this here. I just shrink the chart a little bit because it wasn't covering here. The 7-minute chart. So this is the entry. Now here again, I probably had I took this one and came out with like 6 or 7 pip SL hit, and then here all the way down. So my entry from 7-minute chart, it requires 13 pip SL, fixed SL always. From 20-minute chart, it is 25 pip. So from 7-minute entry, 13 pip, the price moves a little bit, in my favor. I move my 13 pip to, maybe 7, 8 pip, 9 pip, 10 pip, something like that. So if my SL hit, my SL only hit always less than 10 pip, or sometimes, most of the time at break even. But then here, the second entry and 75 pip, right? So consider that if I, lose 10 pip here, but I come up with this, and this is like yesterday, small trades because the volume was not there, but most of the time the trades are like this: 110 pip, 95 pip, right? So I have trades like that: 120, 140, 150 pip trades, right? So when you're right, it is not about right or wrong. It is about you being how much you are wrong and how much you are right, right? So, or for example, if you take 10 trades 5 times, even 5 times, 50% you are right and 50% times you are wrong. But when you are wrong, you lose 25 pip each time. But when you're right, you make average 50 pip each time. Then, do the math. Okay, you total 5 times 50, that's 250, and then 5 times 25 is 125. So at the end of the day, you will come out 125 plus bit. So that's how it is. All right. So I never said that my SL don't hit. Yes, but this is how it is. It's right in front of you. So anyway, so now back to topic here, that this is what the pound USD is doing. Sorry about that. My bad. That's one my alarm telling me that there's a setup cooking. So that's why. All right. So I don't know which pair or what. So I was about to make close my video anyway. Okay. So and then I'm gonna go and see which one is. But yeah, this is these are the thing that right now currently I have. Let me just show you before I go. Pound USD is going on, and then pound Aussie. You can see my sell order here. It is right now current going on. You see that it's moving, it's alive, and it's more than 40 pip, 40, 45 pip, right? So I'm getting ready to make a chart, and then the target is more to the downside. So see, the daily range of these pairs are like this. Daily range is 135, means this pair moves 135 pip every day, right? Previous day was 95, but right now it's only 66 pip, and the day started here. So that means if every day average is 95 pip, or even 60, like 135 is the average daily range, 95 yesterday. So let's say 110 average daily move. So it only moves 66. So I have more to go, right? So why should I close my trade here? It may go up a little bit and then it will drop. It will finish the daily run around 135, maybe 120, 125, sometimes even more, 140, 150, right? So this white dotted line is the daily open line. So that means from the high to the low right now, it's only 66 pip traveling, right? So my entry is right there. So it is probably like 40, 45 pip, right? So, but I have the daily range is telling me that I have more to go. So I will hold on to it and then see what happens. The whole London session and the whole US session for that, right? This is started 5 p.m. Now this one is going on, and then EUR-AUD here, sell order, SL move to break even, and you can see right here what is happening, right? Hold on just a minute. Let me just do something here real quick. I want to open a trade here. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So this is what's happening here. I showed you that these are the things that is right now. It's just continue your Aussie 7-minute entry, right? So this one also daily range. It's way down there. I think I have it at 56.80. My target it is right now 57.48. All right. So I will close around that. Right. 57. 57.21 is also a nice level. So let's see where it goes, right? So it's and I have another one. There's Euro Yen going on, USD-CAD going on, right? So once they travel a decent amount of distance, around 50, 60, 70 pip, then only then I make the chart, and then only those charts and the trades I show. 30 pip, 40 pip, I'm closing, some, or 25, around 35 pip. I don't even make those charts. So those are small charts here and there. Okay, so this is how it is. So pay attention to this again. Um, Let me see this one here. Okay. Share screen. But this one is not that broker. What is happening here? Okay, let me just share this one first. Okay, and then I'll go here. No, I'm gonna go. I'm using this Zoom, and then I'm making a mess out of it. All right, so I'm probably making showing the right chart here anyway. All right, so just wanted to share you guys that this is what's happening. Yeah, it's going. Even if this pound USD goes up and then hit a little bit more, if I go below this, then I'm gonna come and sit at break even plus, and then it will be a free ride. But even now, I have only 10 pip risk. Okay, so no big deal, right? All right, so this is it for now. And just let me go back to this pound USD and pay attention to that. Weekly chart 22 36 22. Yeah. All right, so yeah, I can give you guys a hint about the Euro USD and all the others, but let's take one pair at a time. Pound USD tonight, we have a pound news, so it's very important, right? And not only this pound USD is going to move, but pound CAD, pound Aussie, pound Newsy, pound yen, they're all going to move, right? So like I said, that 2 pound pairs, pound USD I'm short, and pound Aussie I'm short. So let's see what happened tonight. The news comes out, and if it come in my favor, I'm already in. So probably end up 100, 150 pip trade. So I'm going to show that tomorrow in tomorrow's video, and then give you a new setup, maybe Euro USD or some other pair. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful the rest of the trading week. And if you like to get my videos, my updates on a daily basis, because this is what I'm going to start daily basis, I will make a video, go over, maybe a pair or two, give you guys a nice trade setup. And so if you want to know, when I post my video, just go ahead on my channel and subscribe, so that you will be notified for the new video. All right. So this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.